2019 was a very good year.
In January, I started my first YouTube channel, which was simply my name, Montee McCormick.
I really got inspired by some of my favorite content creators to start my own vlog.
I had the opportunity to do so much with so many great people.
Good morning from Jamaica.
Starting out the new year in Jamaica with family is the best way to have been able to bring it in. Over the past 3 years, I have been working at Naval Base Coronado, doing nutrition for the Navy SEAL candidates, and it was a great experience. I got to meet some pretty cool people and work with some of the most interesting people I've had the opportunity to work with in my 17 years in the Navy. Got to see countless shows in 2019, and that's something that I really try to incorporate in every year of my life. And I got to meet some of the best people on my bike. And of course, there is no shortage of good food. Over the summer, I got to do some things that I have always wanted to do. I got to drive one of my dream cars, a Porsche 911 GT3.
Trying to get you a little faster through there. Throttle, straight to green.
Rosetta and I went to the Thurman-Pacquiao fight, and that was an amazing experience. My first professional boxing match. Went up to San Francisco for my birthday and got to see my man Eric Roberson perform all of my favorite songs.
Bad things always feel so good. Why can't I just stay away?
In August, I lost my grandfather, who was 92 years old. So he lived a full life, and I was really glad that he could bring us all together one more time. So somebody stole my phone from work. And well, they weren't really the brightest of thieves. So they left the phone turned on, and I just used Find My iPhone to retrieve my iPhone.
So these are the guys who helped me find my phone. So thank you to these gentlemen from the National City Police Department.
In the fall, I launched my new channel that you're watching right now.
Good evening, and thank you for tuning in.
Mr. Montee McCormick. So I bring him up to stage.
Y'all was beautiful up here.
I rebranded my Montee McCormick page to Montee Rides Bikes. I gave in to the social media blitz of people trying the Popeye's chicken sandwich.
Today, I have decided to try that Popeye's chicken sandwich. I see that comes with some limitations. So I waited in line for about 17 minutes. Because I'm not really a food critic, I'll just tell you whether I think it's worth the wait. It's pretty good. I like it. Would I go out of the way for it versus Chick-fil-A? No. But if it's close and convenient and there's not a line of crazed people waiting for chicken sandwiches, I get it again.
We took a cross-country road trip from San Diego to Florida to Virginia, and that was an amazing 3,900 miles. From Portsmouth, Virginia. So here we are in Portsmouth, and leading up to Christmas was kind of bittersweet. You know, I was glad to be back on the East Coast, closer to family. We made our own Christmas magic here, but we went up to Northern Virginia.
What?
It's about you. Alright, now. Join it. Come on in here.
While we're up in DC, Rosetta and I went to City Winery to see LA Young. She does a Phyllis Hyman tribute show.
I don't believe I just bought a Range Rover.
So New Year's Eve is Rosetta's birthday. You know we're going to party, and you know we're going to eat good.
So I came on over here to upscale men's fashion here in Virginia Beach to get myself together. Just got to our hotel here in Virginia Beach.
So this is for me.
That's for you.
You most good.
Yeah, so you can document all your success over this next year.
And a pretty pink card.
Your favorite word?
Oh, this. Where did you even? Where did you even find this?
This is my last word. No!
Did you program this? Is this your voice?
No.
Of course, being responsible, we're gonna take an Uber when we go for the turn up. So Rosetta has no idea what I'm wearing this evening, and the first time you guys see it is the first time she's gonna see it. So, yeah.
What this man got going on here? A lovely theme outfit for our party tonight, baby. You looking good. You looking real good.
Thank you. Look at this lady in gold. Stand up, let me get a look at you. Yes.
I think we call this Great Gatsby attire.
It's your birthday, girl.
It's my birthday.
So we some dapper looking motherfuckers tonight. What do you think?
We'll be wed. I see big dollar kings on bed.
Good morning and happy New Year. So, had a great time with Rosetta last night, celebrating her birthday and bringing in the new year. That Gatsby theme party was pretty dope. Down here right now, taking a look at this sunrise. Rosetta wants to walk on the boardwalk a little later. She doesn't know it's 37 degrees outside.
A lot of people in the Navy have nothing positive to say about Virginia. And, well, I found that that's really not true at all. Even coming from San Diego, as much as I love it, Virginia has a lot to offer. I've picked up a couple of new hobbies. Okay, really just one new hobby. I hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed making it. Thank you for making 2019 a great year, and I wish you much success in 2020. If you have any questions or comments, feedback, what have you, please make sure to leave that in the comments below. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you know when I'm putting out a new video. Nobody was talking to Siri. So I look forward to seeing you next video.
Mm-hmm.